migration, and what happens?
What?
Migration. The cold weather is setting in, and we're leaving today for the warm lands.
Leaving?
You're a funny one, all these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. It's a stage we all go through. You should hear some of the things they called me before the cold. Penny plain, penny dreadful, penny dropping.
Okay. How can anyone call you names?
Well, like I say, it's just a stage we all have to go through.
Excuse me, could you lift your wing?
My mother always warned me to stay away from the fishing line that people leave behind.
Mine too, when we went swimming. Just one last loop around your leg. There you go.
Oh, thank you! I thought I was going to be left behind for the winter, and this is no place to stay alone. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I got separated from my family. The more I look for them, the further it seems they wander away.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring? The most of the spring? You poor thing, you can't stay here for the winter. You'll freeze.
I'll be alright.
Penny! Come with me. The others won't mind, and then next spring we can return together, and I'll help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Now come on, or we'll never catch up.
Oh, Penny.
I can't fly. It's not well enough to go with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
Penny, listen, I'd love to, I really would, but I have to find my mother, and she can't be far. But maybe when you come back in the spring, we can meet up again then.
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be all right?
I'm sure.
Penny, come along, darling. We'll be late. I really hate to be leaving you like this, but I have to go now. Goodbye, and thank you again. I won't forget you. HONK!
I've seen butterflies on bluebells drinking in the dew. Cobwebs in the sunlight shining. I've seen them too. I've seen woodlands in the autumn, fallen leaves of every shade. And you, I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you.